Equivalent fractions and decimals and fractions are closely connected, and you'll often switch between them. They both represent parts of a whole, but in different ways. To turn a fraction into a decimal, you can use something called equivalent fractions. One helpful trick is to find an equivalent fraction that has a denominator of 10, 100, or 1000, because those are easy to work with as decimals. For example, if you have the fraction 3/5 and want to turn it into a decimal, you can find an equivalent fraction where the denominator is 10. To do this, multiply both the numerator, which is 3, and denominator, which is 5, by 2, which gives you 6/10. Now you can turn it into a decimal. 6 divided by 10 is 0.6. The same method works if your denominator is 100 or 1000. But what if you can't easily change the fraction into tenths or hundredths? In that case, you can just divide the numerator by the denominator. The line between the numerator and denominator in a fraction means divide by. So, for a fraction like 3/8, you would simply divide 3 by 8 to get the decimal 0.375. To go the other way and change a decimal into a fraction, you need to use place value. Look at where the last digit is after the decimal point. For example, in the decimal 0.256, the last digit, which is 6, is in the thousandths place. This means the fraction is 256 thousandths. So, whether you're turning a fraction into a decimal or a decimal into a fraction, just remember, equivalent fractions and division help you with fractions, and place value helps you with decimals. It's all about understanding how they fit together.